Today, we're gonna learn the colors and counting with Pablo! Yay! And I almost forgot, we're gonna learn the sizes, smallest to biggest. Yay!
Smallest, small, big, bigger, biggest, purple, brown, orange, red, green, yellow, one, two, one, two, three, one, two, three, four, one, two, three, four, five, one, two, three, four, five.
And the winner is purple with 5. Yay!